Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. Now in this video I am going to show you how to remove numbering list in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first you have to open your Chrome browser, then open your Google Docs app. Then go to your text and select the text and go to the numbering option. Now you can see here are numbering already inside. Now I am remove this numbering list. Click numbering list. Now do this. Now here you can see remove numbering list in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.